Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Live with me, Ayla Angel. Today we are diving into the exciting Get Launch Pool Event bonus task. We will talk about what Event is, how Launch Pool works, and why this project is attracting attention. And don't forget, by joining this Get Live bonus task, you can actually earn 40 Aviant tokens as a reward. So stay tuned till the end, because I will also guide you on how to participate step by step. Intro the to Launch Pool. First, let's understand what Launch Pool is on Getaio. Launch Pool allows you to stake your crypto assets like USDT, ETH, GT, or other spotted tokens and earn new project tokens for free. It's like farming, but much simpler. Instead of trading or buying, you just stake and then get rewarded in the project's token. Give a simple example. If I stake USDT into a launch pool of project Avient, then our the framing provide or receive Avient tokens as may reward easy passive income opportunity. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Get Launch Pool Project 316 AV and Aviant's Aviant stake GUSD or Aviant to claim airdrop 2025 11 September. That launch pool is set to launch project 316.8 Aviant's Aviant user can stake GUSD or Aviant to share 750.00 Aviant token for free. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Airdrop details. Staking period is September 12 September 2025 at 3 UTC, September 24 2025 at 3 UTC. Total staking rewards 750.000 Aviant. Staking pool GUSD 500.00 Aviant. Total staking rewards price pool per her 1.736.11 Aviant. Early reward cap per user 173.61 Aviant. Maximum staking amount per user 500.000 GUSD. Minimum staking amount per user 0.05 GUSD. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Aviant 200 50.000 Aviant 868.05 Aviant 130.2 Aviant 100.000 Aviant 1 Aviant. Welcome to everyone, welcome. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Unlock method, unlock 100%. Get Launch Pool allows user to stake in advance. You can stake your assets before the official launch of the project to ensure you start earning rewards as soon as mining beings. Distribution. The system will distribute token rewards to user spot accounts on an hourly basis based on the proportion of assets they have staked. Get Launch Pool FAQs: how to participate, log in your Get account and complete identity verification. Navigate to Launch Pool. Hold at last 0.05 GUSD 1 AV and click stake. Minute GUSD website, deposit GUSD website, trade GUSD in USD market VIA. Excludes staking limit, privilege for VIP user. VIP 5 and above user enjoy exclusive staking limits when participate in launch pool with up to 500% staking limit bonus. VIP level GUSD pool maximum staking amount per user. VIP 0 minus VIP 4 500,000 GUSD. VIP 5 750.00 GUSD plus 50%. VIP 6 100.00 GUSD plus 100%. VIP 7 1.300.00 GUSD plus 160%. VIP 8 1.700.000 GUSD plus 240%. VIP 9 2.5 250.000 GUSD plus 350.50%. VIP 10 minus VIP 16 3.000.000 GUSD plus 500%. Project information. Aviant is the largest derivatives exchange on base but also the largest DEX for trading and market making real world asset RWAS. We built a universal leverage layer on that allows anyone from anywhere to trade markets that matter the most to them, from Bitcoin to COD. Turkish lira to US equity IDs with on-demand liquidity events is bullet on and backed by base alongside leading institutional funds like Petra and founders found having raised $12 million across two rounds of funding. Thank you, Edmund. Thank you so much. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Aviantis is bullet on and backed by base alongside leading institutional funds and Petira and founders found having this $12 million across two rounds of funding. Official website GetLabs investment disclosure. GetLabs did not invest in Aviantis. Aviant notes. Point one, get Launchpool in innovative staking airdrop platform where user can earn a early airdrop of trading and natively listed token by staking GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, GUSD or other tokens with low entry barriers and high APR. It's an easy way to capture market options. Point 2. Please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to ensure the security of your account and assets. Point 3. Please follow the relevant rule of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior to prohibit with will result in the disqualification of the words. Point 4. In case of discrepancies between the translate and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Point 5. Get receives our rights to the final exemplification. Point 6. This event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Point 7. User in the United Kingdom and other restricted location cannot access the service including the participation in this event, game or competitions. See the user agreement for further details or rejected location. Risk warning. Point 1. As a blockchain startup still in its early stage, the project may involve sign effect risk and various aspects, including operations, underlying technology, and the legal and regulatory environment. Point 2. Understanding blockchain startups and ensuring their interact risk require advanced technical and financial knowledge. Point 3. Due to influences from technology, regulatory framework, market condition, and other factors, the project you participate in may experience an effect price volatility with price permanently risk are finally sharply. Point 4. Due to issues related to the underlying technology of the project or the get trading platform, you may be unable to withdraw all or part of the assets from the project. Point 5. Cryptocurrency projects are high risk by nature and cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. The project them does not provide any from the emergent price comment or draw side protection. Please ensure you fully understand the risk and are capable to of bring them before participating. Will the platform strongly once of potential risk, it cannot assume liability for any investment decisions or provide any gradations or compensation. Get Team September 11 September 2025. Gateway to crypto trade our 3.500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get. Take attention now, sign up and claim up to $10.00 and in welcome rewards. Invite friends and in a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Get's official website, download the Get app desktop, follow us on X Twitter. Welcome to everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Follow as a X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join her Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Engage with our global community for the latest edition, transparency and security. Check our 100% proof or receipts. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friends. Avient Aventis is the largest deficit exchange on base, but also the largest DEX for trading and market making real world assets RWAS. We bullet as universal leverage layer on one that allows anyone from anywhere to trade market that matter the most to them, from Bitcoin to COD, Turkish lira to us equity ideas with on demand liquidity capital officially truly limits leverage to optionally and most importantly, self custody events is bullet on and backed by base alongside leading additional funds like Patera and Founders Fund having raised $12 million across two rounds of funding. Total rewards 750.000 AV and start time 12 September 2025 and time 2025 24 September. Pool Aviant GUST Aviant total staking rewards 500,000 Aviant meaning period 12 days total staking 267.614.630.14 GUSD. Participants 14.286 prize pool Hurley cap 1.736.11 Aviant individual Hurley reward cap 173.61 Aviant. APR 18.84% individual staking cap VIP 500,000 GUSD. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much. Candy drop. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much joining for my live stream. Please like share my live stream. Home welcome to AV Antis DFI Universal Leverage Layer for global assets. How are some links to get you straight website, Twitter, Discord mission? AV Antis is on a mission bullet products that unequally combine crypto and global asset one dex in fight strategies. We are activating on-chain traders by enabling them to experience global micro views combined with the power of on-chain narratives vision. We envision a world where leverage can be meaningfully used to trade and market make not just crypto but real world assets, sports, predictions, market, and much more. That's what we are building on DEX Infinite Possibilities. Introduction. Welcome Jessica Zara. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friends. Thank you everyone. Thank you. AVNT's protocols and advanced on-chain exchange for cross assets leverage when user can long or short synthetic crypto forex or for commodities and provide liquidity to power trading on these markets. Synthetic leverage combined with USDC stablecoin LP makes Aviantis very capital efficient along for a wide selection of tradable assets and high leverage up to 500x point. We are also unlocking fine-grained risk management for our LPS via time and risk parameters allows any LP to be a snapshot market maker for leverage trades and building composable protocols on top of our leverage in key. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Friends रेड पैकेट ओपन होने वाले प्लीज जल्दी से रेड पैकेट ओपन करें. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Loss rabbits are rebate on any loss for creator traders that help balance the platform's open interest SICO. Positive sell page better than market entry prices for trades that balance open interest SICO. RVA cross trade the Japan's Yen, gold, Bitcoin, and much more in our one terminal. Zero fee leverage pay only from your profits popular among scalper short time frame traders, advanced risk management for liquidity providers, LPS can deposit USDC possibly on turn into active market makers by choosing risk trades and recording their time lock. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Team, the Aviantis protocol is created by the Aviantis Foundation. We contracts several service providers as in developers. Several members contribute to the development of the Aviantis protocol, including 12 crypto native individuals with experience. The engaging investment backing VC provide quality, innovative design product designed by Beckett Fracted Cumulatively. The contributor them has over 20 years of experience in crypto. Avient token, the ticker of universal leverage. What's Avient? Avient is the connective tissue of the Aviantis ecosystem. A utility and governance token designed to align scale and score of vision of building DEFIS universal leverage layers. Global assets building on chain and will Aviantis pioneers this movement. Aviant will catalyze as Aviantis grows, Aviant will improve protocol security, ensure indicative alignment between protocol stakeholders, and faster progressive decentralization and account- accountability. Aviant contract address tokenomics tokenomics token details token name Aviantis taker Aviant type ERC20 chain base total supply fixed 1 trillion token contract address base token description airdrop check your eligibility and chain your Aviant by number 8 November 2025 at Trade Aviant will be available on Binance Perpetuals. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Staking security model, Aviant's security model. The Aviantis security model SM is a maximum decides protect to protocol LPS agents major shortfalls events. Aviantis tokens holders can OPT in them by staking their tokens in the SM in return and they earn protocol rewards XP bonuses and fee discounts but accept the practical risk of slashing if the model is activated to cover a loss. Avient stakers as intelligent to the safety of protocol LPS. In exchange they receive Avient rewards staker get individual additional Avient for scoring the protocol. This will be available as soon as Avient claims go live. Coming soon over the coming days and weeks we will be realizing the following upgrades to Avient XP bosses in session 3. The only way the attend bosses on accumulating XP is by staking Avient. Every Avantis user who takes Avient is already allocating XP boosts is session 3. These XP boosts will be recurrently reflected on session 3. Officially goes live on our UI. This XP will translate into future airdrops, giving the highest there of Avient to the most loyal stakers get a max post boats of 3x weighted by stake direction and amount. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friends. Fee discounts trades can stake AV and to get up to 40% discount on both fixed free and ZFP profit sharing purpose. This is to ensure maximum element between AV and with AV and TS trading community. Governance decide the future of value actual of AV and everything from by Beck's bronze explanations to new chain exchange to fee economies and more. Staking days slashing Aviantis liquidity provides an equity take and opposite side and trading activity during extreme market volatility. There can be sustain in which OI open interest get staked on way for a short time and the market price action goes one way to this can cause impact implement loss for LPS sum as in a DEX poll when prices diverge. If LPS pull capital out during these times, they can realize this loss advantage as a strong buffer and safeguard against this type of principal divergence. The buffer itself builds up during the normal cross and trading activity via trading fees. Slashing is only activated if the value buffer ratio drops 0.95 and the entry LPS loss is realized because traders close their trades I point EA is equal to 5% immediate loss of LPS. The maximum stake that can be slashed is 20% of staked Avient. Home, however, in the history of the protocol. Max realized signal day share price drawdown for LPS has only been 30 PS 0.30% since August 2024. There have been realized LP losses at RC achieved a share price chart which shows linear growth without any don't trends I point E no realized losses. This means is in the operating history of the protocol this has been no hypothetical slashing event had event been live on day 1 of minute. We also have a healthy protocol trust this which can be used to fill on butter. It's also worth noting that the max slashing perimeter of 20% I point E, the max percent of staked tokens that can be slashed in 20% of stake at most. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friends. What are the perpetual futures? Perpetual contracts, also known as perpetual, are a type of derivative contract that allow traders the supplicate on the price of an underlying asset such as cryptocurrency without actually owning the assets. That contracts are called perpetual basis. They do not have an expiration date and can be held in indefinitely. Perpetual contracts differ from traditional fair contracts in that they do not have a fixed expiration date and do not require traders to physically settle contract at a future date. Instead, traders are required to maintain information balance in the account which is used to control their positions and ensures that they are able to meet their financial obligations under the contract. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friends. Trading platform design principles. Our trading platform has been designed with two patterns in mind. Traders trade perpetuals for crypto fixed of contracts get up to 50 multiple leverage cryptocurrencies and 100 multiple on fixed for X and commodities. Hold custody of your funds. Protocol never controls for your funds. We also offer native wallets powered by account abstractions which combine the basic of user safety with the basic in class DFI definitive X UX competitive fees on every orders with several initiatives for traders who help balance protocol of open interest and updated UI UX experience for all protocol interaction. Liquidity providers enable anyone to become a market maker traders but agent the trading pool that LPS deposit into LPS get accounts organic yield from trading derivatives trading fee plus traders loss and opposite of yield based token exchange engine staking machines. USDC traders put a USDC carrier digital US dollar is their collectors and LPS invest USDC into your our market making wallets. We use Circle's USDC our your stable coin and uh, choice as it is one of the world's largest stablecoin with a proven and safe track record. A stablecoin that is available on several exchanges around the world will being readily available on both Optimism on the base. It is very easy for trader to swap out their stablecoin into USDC with our app. We did not want to create our own stablecoin. Use a less capital efficient stablecoin like DAI or use of property regulated stablecoin like Tether. Learn more about USDC from Circle, the company that creates USDC. Accurate or cares questions. Aviant user paid low liquidity solution and ancient declared network since Aviant is our Oracle-based trading platform. We always get a most accurate trading price for each hour of your cited asset. There is on price discovery that happens with the platform. Give it is not an exchange, but the benefit of mm, that our user get the best efficient prices. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friends. Granted, SLSTPS Aviantis offer granted stops loss and stake profits for both fixed fee and zero fee profits. Give me we a circle for accession. User TP or SL request is always filled at the price they ask. For example, even if Oracle prices goes below user rejected SL for a long events is closed, the patience of rejected SL granted SL openly apply SL is lost. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Global markets limits leverage the crypto forex metals conducts ideas set from the wallet. Aviant Fueling universal leverage event is the negative utility and governance token of event antis base of largest derivatives exchange for RWAs and crypto assets. It powers protocol, initiatives, traders, rewards, and community-driven development. User who interact with the Aviantis platform and partner protocols will be enabled for our one-day airdrop. One exchange innovative strategies maximum your alpha per crypto leverage with unrelated real world assets with retains custody of controller. Metals like gold XAU often return of increase their value during times and market turbulence on economic uncertainty. XAU-USD 23.33%, 60-month return, 1 year return 29.17%, BTC minus USDT 2.92%, 6-month return 149.35%, 1 year return. Scale, scalable leverage for everyone. Loss protections trade with confidence get up to 20 per rabbit of your loss when going agents popular sometimes use to rabbit of trade discovery create incubated strategies. Positive slippage traders and rewarded to positive slippage when the help balance open interest helping them enter trades and price better and market price. Optimize it for LPS. Our dynamics risk organ appears LPS return for across all market conditions or LPS already entered $1 million in the USDC fees. APR 32.97%. Built for every type of LP, Aviantis unlock a new design shape of LPS via unqueue time and risk payments choose to be on the lowest of highest end of the risks spectrum based on your view of the market. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much. Bold Build with Aviantis SDK. Power your platform with Aviantis SDK. Seamlessly across real-time price funds and exchange funds, fast traders and match positions, improving bullets and trade for a competitive exchange. Learn about Aviantis SDK. Trust by best. Aviantis is the fast pairs DX interest by base science launch. We grow to the include a number of innovators and partners that keep Aviantis ecosystem thriving. Lived by a community. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Welcome, welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. AV and USDT 1.14 1433 changes plus 0.323 uh, 2308 plus 25.27% 24 highest price 1.2150 24 hours low price 0.9 uh, 9085 24 hours volume AV and 37.58 million USDT. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friends. Now let's talk about Avient itself. Avient is a new project for it on Get.io Launchpool. This project aims here you can missions highlight from the official attribute to each utility ecosystem. Launchpool gives Avient experience, liquidity, and as for a user who get the benefits of early cross to its token. Compare with provides Launchpool across complex etc. Show live step by step get to Get.io website app. And the best part of bonus task just by provisioning social media and info link, referral link and Get.io. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Welcome, welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Avient used a utility governance token is the Avientis ecosystem. The yeah, Holders can stake, earn rewards, and participate in governance. Intelligence engages between traders, liquidity provides, and a protocol. Blockchain Event is a ERC20 token developed to the base chain. Tokenomics total supply 1 trillion AVN distributions cover community interaction launch for airdrops, investors team and ecosystem growth. Investor including big names like Petera Capital of Founders Found. Disguised and exchange for crypto and real world assets forex contracts in trades. UP to 500x leverage trading, zero free and innovative free structures for Christian perpetuals. Launch and rewards event launch with airdrops combining status step 9 September 2025. Available on Get.io Launchpool, user can stake from AV and exchange list Get.io, Binance and other are boosting Webcity. Market and price event attract strong attention due to the legends and staking reward price are early investors and launch pool user can benefit but risk remain. Avient Power Aviantis protocol giving user governance right rewards while supporting high leverage declared trading launch full user can stake and in Avient early meaning this is has token to much was is 2025. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream. Thanks a lot my dear friends. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Friends, welcome everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Candy drop complete task to claim airdrop 88.1869k participants 1.61 million total airdrops USDT. Launch pool. Launch pool quick staking and petitional new tokens $96.61 million cumulative airdrops 2.01 million estimated total rewards $38.17 billion funds received 6 million plus participants. Holder airdrop hold GT and get massive airdrops for free. $0 airdrops receive $293.676 million cumulative airdrop. 10K dollar total airdrops, 12 million plus participants. Launchpad be early to the next big token project, $1.76 billion amount, 90.16K participants, 3 project. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Aviantis is the largest exchange base but also the largest DEX and trading market, meaning real world assets RWAS 1.000.00 total price pool 69.120 participants. Complete task to share 1.000.00 AV and price pool. First future trading trade pool 100.000 AV and 100.000 AV and total tokens 150 point AV and individual share limit. Complete task and share price pool long in participate 11 September 2025, 22 September 2025. Complete task 11 September 2025, 22 September 2025. Tier 1 first futures trading volume 500 USDT. Tier 2 first future trading volume 2.00 USDT. Claim up to 150 point AV rewards will be distributed on 2025 10/17. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Activity rules: user who have not trade or spot offer joining get and make their first Aviant futures trade with a volume 500 USDT will receive candy with a total price pool of 100.000 AV and max 150 AV and per user. Futures trading to share 300.000 AV and 300.00 AV and total tokens 150 AV and individual share limit. Complete task and share price prolong in participate. Complete task tier 1 futures trading mission 1.000 USDT AV and future trading mission 3.00 USDT tier 3 AV and future trading mission 5.00 USDT. फ्रेंड्स हमारा रेड पैकेट ओपन होने वाला है प्लीज़ जल्दी से रेड पैकेट ओपन करें Claim up to a 150 point AV and rewards will be distributed on 2025 10/17. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Activity rules point 1 during the event user with cumulative futures trading volume 1.00 USDT AV and receive candies up to maximum. Aviant can receive candies up to maximum of 9 candies of share to the 300.00 Aviant prize pool. Future trading volume is equal to open interest plus close interest. VIP exclusive prize pool 300.00 Aviant 300.00 Aviant total tokens 150 Aviant individual share limit. Complete task and share prize pool. Aviant contract trading 30.00 USDT. Aviant contract trading 50.00 USDT. Claim up to Aviant 150 Aviant. Activity rules during the event user with VIP level 5 or be above the cumulative future trading volume 30.00 USD, Aviant can receive candies up to maximum of 3 candies and share in the 300.000 Aviant price pool to futures trading volume open interest plus close interest. Invite new friends here 300.000 Aviant 300.000 Aviant total tokens 150 Aviant invasion share limit complete task and share price will newcomer invitation task for every friend you invite was for trading volume in Aviant reaches you over 200 for USDT you will receive one candy with a maximum of 10 times claim up to 155 and rewards will be distributed on 2025 10/17. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Activity rules user who invite at last one new friends to join get during the event period will receive one candy. User can get up to candy based on the number of new friends invited sharing a highest pool 300.00 AV and point 2 definition of valid referrals invited user must register thousands the Xlease link and achieve 200 USDT in event spot trading volume. To Verb of Launch Pool is one of the assets way to earn tokens and Aviant is the latest project on to join. Don't miss this bonus task opportunity to claim 40 AV and remember to the submit for feedback from before the deadline September 29 22 a UTC. Thank you for joining me, Ayla Angel, here on Getayo. See you in the next stream and happy staking. थैंक यू सो मच माय फ्रेंड टेक केयर बाय बाय अल्लाह हाफिज़ अपना ख्याल रखिएगा दुआ में याद रखिएगा अल्लाह हाफिज़